Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about how to target even elements using jQuery. So we can use these selectors :odd or :evens. And in jQuery, it's zero index. So the children elements starts at 0, 1, 2, 3. And so when we use this, the odd will specify index of 1, index of 3, rather than the first one. It'll be the index of 1. So to do this exercise, and here's an example of it too. So we do the name of the class or whatever element we want to target, and all the odd children elements from that. We want to add the class animated and shake. So for this exercise, they want us to target the even elements within target and give them the class animated and shake. So we can just do $, parentheses, quotations, dot target, :even, and now we do dot add class animated and shake. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.